In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can change your country location on TikTok. You can simply change your account location to any other country or region of your own choice in just few simple steps. To do this, simply head into your TikTok. On your profile page, tap on these three lines and head into your settings and privacy. On this page, tap on the privacy option right here. Then select the option of location services. To change to any location, you will first have to delete your current location history. Tap right here to delete your location history. Then head into your phone settings. Tap on General. Then scroll down onto the option of Language and Region. Tap on this option of Region. Select any preferred region. Tap on Change and your phone system settings will automatically change to that exact selected region. Get back to your TikTok. Make sure to mark this first option. Then refresh and your TikTok account location will get changed successfully. That's how easy it is to change location of your TikTok. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.